Dear educators, welcome to the Student Alliance community. So in our IFP panel of 75-inch Bitelo, you have an option to lock your screen. Generally, if you've seen a lot of other brands, what they do is they have it in the settings. You have to go all the way to settings. What we've done is we've made the locking easier. Just click on your more option. As soon as that is done, just click on your screen lock. So if you want to set a password, you can set a password. Right now the password is not. Just set a phone number. The password is set. Now as soon as I click on screen lock, you have your logo customized. You're back to your panel. So this is more of a protection method, but at the same time, you have a lot of personalization. Thank you so much.